y'all, welcome back to Spirit of the Outdoors. It's potato digging time. We plowed up one row of the red potatoes, and then over here behind it we've got another row of white potatoes. We're gonna wait a little bit about plowing them up till we get these picked up. Brody ain't here right now, so we're gonna probably wait late this evening and let them kind of harden off in the sun before we start picking them up. But I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you this row right here done really good. And I'm hoping the white row done as good. Last year, we didn't have a lot of good luck with the potatoes, so we moved to a different location, seemed to have paid off. Now, I don't know right here on this upper end of this row if we didn't get on the potatoes or if it didn't just make right here, but for about 10, 15 foot, they ain't not one potato. And then all of a sudden right here, we got a lot of potatoes, y'all. They really made right up through here, really good. And, so they like this all the way up this whole row. I mean, just look at the potatoes. Right there, you can see all the way down through there. They just loads of potatoes. So we'll get all these picked up, get them out of the sun here for long, and then we'll plow this other row of white potatoes. You can see the vines. Grass has done took them. So what we did is took a lawnmower and went over this with a blade raised up and mowed over them. Then come back and plowed this up.
Yeah.
I'm showing them in the buggy too.
Don't throw them so hard.
What's this big one? It's higher than what? What's bigger than that?
Look, you come down here and pick up potatoes. Look at all these potatoes.
I want to get this big one. Papa, look at this big old tater.
Yeah, it's a big old tater.
Yeah. Look at these potatoes.
When she left, her back feet about went over her head. They done got a little too comfortable up here around the house. That one got a different attitude today.
Well, there wasn't real mayo.
Quit stepping on the potatoes.
There wasn't real.
Now what we're gonna do with it? Yeah. Grass has got 3 or 4 years on the bugs on it. Well, y'all, we got most of the potatoes dug up, the one row of red ones. Now, we still got another whole row of white potatoes. This is what we kept in the buggy, and my dad and them have got what they wanted the other day. And they put them on this trailer out here. Now, you've seen in the past, I put them on a pallet under my smokehouse. They kept good there the first year. Last year, they all rotted. So I had decided we've got a storm cellar. And I thought about putting them in there, but I'm going to have to get them in some boxes. I got to find something where I can tote them down in there and then tote them back out. I don't want to just pile them in the floor because I think it stays a little moist in there. I'm not sure. I hadn't been in it in 2 years. So anyway, this is us digging potatoes. Brody, what do you get off of them potatoes? Don't be standing on them.
Wow.
Because you'll mash them. Get out, get your feet out. I think he wants a spanking, y'all. Get your feet out of there. Turn around. Turn around. All right. Look. Thank y'all for watching us dig potatoes. The best way to do things.
The way you like to do it.
We'll see y'all. Y'all have a good one.